Hello and welcome back to the Workshop from Home channel. I know I haven't made a new video in a month's time. So I have been watching a lot of Portal videos. So I got inspired to make the robot from Portal 2. So there are 3 categories: pbody, the handheld Portal device, and Atlas. I'm not sure why. So pbody's body. Pbody will be exactly taller than Atlas. So for the legs, you'll need this small bar. Take this. Yep. Another one. Then this. I know yellow doesn't match, but I didn't have another one. Although I do have black, but I don't have another one for black. Get out here. So snap on already, flat piece. Okay, so you can stand. See? So onto the hand. The antenna to make it match the game, and this white 3 long flat piece. I don't know what you call this. Doohickey. Snap on. There we go. Then put this. Don't you dare pop off. And you got pbody. Okay, so on to the next category. Atlases and pbodies. Handheld portal device, or what I call the HPD, a reverse word of PhD. So I know they're both supposed to be identical. I had to make it match the fingers. So with these underneath, 3 easy steps. Easy. Snap it on. Snap on. My hands are loose. These parts are loose, so get yours a good grip. As you can see, it's a little long, but yeah. Anyways, on to Atlas's handheld portal device. See, they're not identical. I had to make it match the shapes of the fingers. So onto Atlas's body. Which part to take? Like this. So get a cylindrical shaped brick. Put it on this web thing, whatever you call this. And put this blue thing on to the web thing. And we create the legs. One moment. If you don't have these black parts, you can get it from the Iron Man hallway set. I bought it. Which I if this is supposed to be above or below. So, remember it's below. Okay, so onto the hands. I'll just put this on first. Then put this mechanical claws in to this small hole. And wait for a moment, please. There we go. So put it on, then lastly, the antenna. So you might be thinking exactly, what is this second hole for? Well, it's useful for carrying the portal gun. Although in the game it's not exactly a feature. But pbody also has a feature too. Yeah, if you put the portal gun here. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention. It has to be like this, but if you want to put it on the back of pbodies, it has to turn that. Then you can snap it on her back. For those who don't know Portal 2, you might wondering why I call pbody a her. Well, that's because in game trailer, they say pbody is female oriented and Atlas is male oriented. I know it looks weird, but to me it's just cool. Look at that, it looks like a miniature jetpack. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Pretty simple, yet a lot of bricks. So, hope you guys have a good day. And this is me going out. I don't know how long I'll be off again. I can't stand because this is circular. Oh well, bye.